Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here, crazy cat artist, doing a scared kitty. Just kind of feeling my way around. And this drawing that I did here is kind of proof to me that you can make a mess and still fix it up, because I didn't seem to be quite sure what direction I wanted to go in at the beginning here. But I found my way. And I do have it going 2.5 times the speed, and I'm voicing over. And obviously this was a feral cat that was spayed or neutered and released, because we can tell because of the tipped ear. But I ended up putting a full ear on. Puffed up tail. Looking for unity all throughout the drawing here to make sure my lines flow together nicely. And that's why I don't worry too much about overlap when I'm getting those shapes in. The extra lines just fade away into background tone in the end. Just blocking in those paws. And we'll get the eyes in along that eye line that I drew. I want those eyes to look like scared eyes. Cautious eyes, at least. Kitty is not quite sure what's going on and is getting ready to protect. He fussed over the eyes a little bit. It's all learning. Often I put a smirk on my cats, my happy cats, but we don't want it on this one because this is a scared kitty. Kind of feeling like Kitty's smiling a bit too much, or a hint of a smile too much, but we'll fix that up. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. I do my best to answer, and I love to hear what you want to learn about cat drawing, or just hear about you or your cat, or where you live in the world. We're going to speed up here pretty quick. We're going to go 5 times the speed now and finish this drawing up. Kind of wasn't really happy with the looks of the bottom of the face, so I did muck over it a little. Plant the kitty. Yeah, let's try that again. Some suggestion of tone there, some markings. Just darken up the connecting lines. Whiskers. Yeah, and let's finish Kitty up. Thanks for watching.